We're going to show you how we do a hip roof to gable conversion with a large dormer on the rear. So there's the hip. We're working on stripping that out, taking all the slates and tiles off. We've built up the gable end of the new wall there, as you can see, with a window in the middle. We just fit the main ridge steel to that. We put timbers inside the web to carry the new rafters. And you can see one rafter in. You can also see the white steel on the ground there for carrying the joists for the room. So we've refelted and battened the whole front of the house. So then we go to the back there now, and you can see we've cut out the majority of the rafters out of the back to allow for the new dormer. Very large dormer going on this. There you can see we're just setting out the kind of goal post, is what I call it, for the dormer. So we have our new ceiling joists in. Gone with a treble here. And a treble up on top. So we've just framed that out now for the windows that are going into the back of the dormer. They want 3 windows on this job. And now we're up on top of that dormer. You can just see the fern piece has gone in to put a fall on that flat roof. And there you have it. It's all plied out now, or OSB'd out, and the tiles are going back on. And I'm just going to retile the front here now as well. Yep, there's a Velux window going in. Almost forgot about that one.
Just need to finish battening and felting up the side there. I'll show you up on top there now.
And this is just a vapor control layer that goes on top. They're actually going to be doing a rubber roof up there.
Just finishing out tiling this. So we put on the lead on top, and the tile, and then another piece of lead on.
It's always tricky to make this look nice when you have to go in around all these old tiles. And there you are, we're leaving it up to the client to get the cladding put on it himself, and we'll be leaving it there. So you can just subscribe there if you want, up to you, whatever you fancy.